So now let's see how we can utilize Code Guru plugin inside of ChatGPT. So in order to work around with Code Guru, I'm going to go around onto the Explore GPT section right here, and then I'm going to go around and type in Code Guru right here, just like this. So once I go around over here, you can see that this is what you have. So let's just go around and click on Start Chat around over here. So once you do that, you can see that there's different options right here. Like you can go around and give it a code and then review the code snippet, or it says, can you give a pull request on the code? But I'm just going to go around and say, generate a program using, let's say for example, C#. I can go around, define the language where four inputs are taken as numbers and their addition is done right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, it says, certainly here's a simple C# program that takes four numbers as input and the user calculates and their sum right here, just like this, and it explains out the code as well, as you can see right here. So now you can simply go around and then, let's say for example, now instead of just the sum, give the user a choice whether to add, subtract, multiply, or divide the numbers right here, and display the results accordingly right here, just like this. So if I were to go around right here, then you can see that now it says, sure, below is a modified version of the C# program that allows the users to choose operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division right here, just like this. And then it generates out the code, as you can see, with the switch case right here, just like this. So the code is longer, of course, so it does take a bit of time to execute right here, just like this. And now what you can do is you can go around and take it into like compilers like Replit right here, where you can go around and paste the code and run it out right here. So now it's executing the code. And then you can see that it says enter four numbers. So let's just add in 6, and then let's say for example 9 and 10, and then let's say for example 343 right here. And now it says choose an operation to perform. So add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Let's say for example I'm going to say multiply right here, and it says the result of multiplying the numbers is 185,220. And this is how you can utilize Code Guru to generate complex codes as you like by using ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.